This is a room tour of room 112 at the Chessington Safari Hotel. So let me take you through what we have. As you come in the door, you do have your fire emergency things on the door. You've got your shush, the pride of resting, do not disturb sign. You've got a lock for the door. You can put your room key in here to activate all the lights, which I believe is sort of standard now. As you come in, so you've got a lovely wardrobe here with some hangers and a good lot of wardrobe space. Just move that out a little bit. There we go. You do get tea and coffee facilities. So this is what we have. We've got some hot chocolate here. We've got some tea, coffee, sugar, and some milk, 4 cups, some drawers. You do have an ironing board and iron as well. And then just turning around from the door, you've got the bathroom, and you have a nice shower, towels, big shower there, some shower gels. You do have a bath mat, which is always handy because these showers do get a little bit slippery. Some nice artwork. You've got the toilet rolls, some more towels. There's me, hi. Some shower gel or some hand soap, more towels, one sink, single sink here, a bin, obviously the toilet just as you come in, and then coming out of the bathroom we have the bed. So this is a standard room. This doesn't have a view, this room, so you do have to pay extra for the view of the Wanyama Reserve. There's a little bit of artwork on the walls. You've got bedside lights. There's no USB plugs there. So that's something to think about.
Are they under the lights?
Don't think so. Let me just have a quick look. No USB plugs under the lights. Right. Then we have, so just across from the bed, here's the bed. You've got the TV, and you've also got another full-length mirror there. You've got a place to put your suitcase. You do have a mini fridge here. You have the TV box, another mirror here. Hello. Nice desk if you need to work out. Oh, there are some USB ports just here, so that's worth knowing, just on the desk. You've got some chairs. Nice chairs there. This would be the view if you were overlooking something that wasn't desirable. So they do tend to put the pictures on the windows, but as you can probably see, we've cracked open the window a little bit and it's not a view at all. So just to let you know, that would be the view, but it doesn't matter. We're only here for a couple of nights. It's not like we're in Disney. And then you have the double bunk beds. So with double bunk beds, they do actually give you some Oreo cookies for the children. Obviously it's just me and mum, so we'll be sharing those. But nice bunk beds with a nice design on them. So that's the room tour of room 112 of the Safari Hotel. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to see all my future vlogs. And for now, please stay magical, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.